Introducing the Oclean One, a smart sonic electric toothbrush. We've pushed the limits of what you can expect from a regular toothbrush, and we are constantly aiming to improve your oral health with a customized brushing experience. Because everyone has a unique set of teeth, they also have unique oral care needs. The Oclean One has been designed to address each of these. Our AI-enabled application recommends brushing plans based on factors such as age, gender, tooth condition, and diet. You can also customize your own brushing plans by modifying duration, intensity, and mode. Every time you brush, the Oclean app will generate a score, analyzing the areas you can improve. We partner with leading suppliers to customize each component, including the highest quality bristles in the world, to create a toothbrush of unparalleled quality. Oclean One has unrivaled ultra-fast charging and a 60-day battery life. Our custom-made motor delivers the cleanest brushing experience available, with up to 50,000 strokes per minute, making it the world's fastest electric toothbrush. Its ergonomic design and water-resistant body makes it easy to use and clean. And by using best-in-class BPA-free materials, we ensure a durable, soft-to-touch handle. We are so excited to share this industry-changing product with you. Oclean. Brush different.